What's going on? This is Sonny, and in today's video, I want to show you a very simple mirror reality technique that you can use to manifest anything, okay? This technique is not some silly little manifestation technique or trick that rarely works. This is real stuff. Matter of fact, it's pretty advanced, and your understanding of this mirror principle, this mirror technique, is infinite, right? You can understand this same technique in infinite depths. So as you raise your awareness, as you go on with your manifestation journey, you will understand this deeper and deeper and deeper. And today I just want to explain to you in the simplest of ways what the mirror reality technique actually is. So even if that you're a beginner, you can start using this to your advantage, to your benefit right away. Okay, so for the first step of this mirror reality technique, right? You actually have to first understand that your external reality, everything that you experience physically through the five senses, is at all times a direct reflection of what you carry within. What you carry within, not inside your body, in your inner reality, what we call your internal reality, right? Which is who you have identified yourself to be as a person, as an individual, what your relationship is to the outside world, right? Like, what beliefs do you hold true about yourself, about the world, about how life works, right? Your emotions and your thoughts about the world. All of these inner realities dictate how your external reality operates. So it's very crucial that before we even talk about how to implement the mirror reality principle into your life to manifest what you want, it's crucial to first really just meditate on this principle and realize it more and more and practice that. Okay, so a change made in the internal realm creates a change in the external, and this change happens pretty fast. So now let's get on to the first step. The first step of the mirror reality technique is that you have to know exactly what it is that you want. And you have to know the attributes of that reality, of that life. So if you want to be a movie star, right? Don't just look at what it is to be a movie star from your perspective, not yet being a movie star. Actually, research some movie stars and see how they live their life day to day. This is very crucial. You have to understand and get a taste, get a sense of what that reality that you so want actually is like. So research your favorite movie star, see what their day-to-day life is like. Find out as much as you can about them, right? About their lives. How do they carry themselves day to day? How do they feel on a daily basis? Now, you can only do research so far on these topics, but really start to put yourself in their perspective. You could even visualize yourself in their perspective. What do they have to do on a daily basis? How are they living their life, right? What beliefs do they have about themselves and their reality? It's very crucial to get a very clear sense of what that picture looks like, what that reality looks like. Okay, so that's the first step, just getting clear on what it is that you want. If you want to be a businessman, do the same thing. Research some businessmen. If you want to be a really famous chef, right, do that. Just get a clear sense of what the reality of your desired self looks like, down to the T. Now, second step is when you, start to visualize this identity, visualize yourself in that life, already having achieved it, but you're going to take it one step further. You're actually going to start behaving like that person. You're going to start behaving and acting and going about your day-to-day life like you already are that person. And you're going to do this in any extent that is available to you. You're going to do it in any extent that you want to really do it. You're inspired to do it, right? So if part of being in your desired reality is like driving a Lamborghini, obviously maybe you can't drive the Lamborghini right now, but you can drive your current car feeling like you are driving a Lamborghini, pretending, acting as if, going all in on your reality, on your identity that you have chosen for yourself. So go all in, okay? Embody that energy of your future self. of that movie star or that chef or that business person and bring it here into your current reality right now and live entirely through that energy. Do all your, even if you're doing the same things every single day, do it from the energy of your future self. For me personally, just an example, when I started doing this in the beginning stages, when I wanted to create a YouTube channel, I literally started to live like a YouTuber lives, right? Started to treat this like my full-time job before it actually became one. Bought all the equipment too, and like really started to embody and started to, even when people started to ask me what I do, I started telling them, I do YouTube and life coaching before I even started. And so you start to have to just live that identity. It's not about lying to yourself as much as it is about embodying the character that you are trying to build. Because sooner rather than later, that becomes you. This is very crucial. Practice this. So this is step 2. Now, step 3 is very crucial. While you are in the process of manifestation, right? While you are embodying your future self and the energy of your future reality and your current reality in your day-to-day life, you have to do your best to stop staring at your physical reality, waiting for change, waiting to see evidence of manifestation. You have to be so fixated in the energy of your future self that you're not even fazed with what is currently present. So no matter what is happening on the outside, feel as if, be as if, act as if, take action as if you are still living that reality to whatever extent that you can do so. This is very crucial because, as you know, the external reality is always a mirror, a direct reflection of your internal reality. So if you are internally always feeling insecure, if you internally are always looking outside for manifestation, has it happened yet, hasn't happened yet, what do you think is going to reflect outwards? What do you think is going to manifest? You're going to manifest a reality in which you are continuously just looking outside, waiting for manifestation. So a feeling of waiting within creates a perpetual state, a perpetual reality of waiting outside. So it's very crucial to not just look directly at your reflection, waiting for the reflection to change. Instead, stay focused on the internal reality, what the substance through which the external flows. Okay? So just to summarize the steps for you, step 1, know exactly what you want. Not just from your perspective of not having it, but from the perspective of the one that already has it. Step 2, embody that energy in your day-to-day life, every single day. And take action on that identity, through that identity, to whatever extent that is possible for you. And step 3, stop peeking in the reflection. Stay focused on forming the proper image to be reflected. Okay? If you implement these 3 things, your reality will start to move forward much faster, and you will truly start to see evidence in your reflection much faster than you assume. All depends on your willingness and your dedication to implement this principle to a great degree. Okay, so have fun with this, practice this. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section below. If you want one-on-one coaching with me and you want to learn how to accelerate your reality, accelerate the time between your desires and the manifestation, click the link in the description box below, okay? Other than that, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.